Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Crunchyroll membership on Amazon Prime. If you've been subscribed through Prime Video channels and no longer want to continue, this process will walk you through canceling it quickly and easily. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign into your account. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From that menu, select Memberships and Subscriptions. This section is where Amazon keeps all your active subscriptions in one convenient place. Now, I don't currently have a Crunchyroll membership active on my account, but I'll walk you through what comes next so you know exactly what to expect. Once you're in the Memberships and Subscriptions area, look for the section labeled Prime Video Channels and click on it. This is where all your add-on channels through Prime Video are managed. You'll now see a list of all the channels you're subscribed to through Amazon Prime. Scroll through this list carefully until you locate Crunchyroll. It's important to make sure you're looking at the Crunchyroll channel that was added through Prime Video, not a separate standalone Crunchyroll account you might have elsewhere. These are managed differently, so double check you're in the right place. Once you've found Crunchyroll, click on the tile itself or look for a button that says Manage or Options next to it. Clicking this will take you to the subscription details page where you can see billing information and cancellation options. On this page, look for a button that says Cancel Channel, Turn off Auto Renew, or Unsubscribe. The exact wording may vary slightly, but it will be clearly labeled. Go ahead and click that button to begin the cancellation process. Amazon will then take you to a confirmation screen. This is their way of making sure you really want to cancel. They might even offer you a deal or remind you what you'll be losing access to. If you're certain you want to proceed, click Confirm, Yes, Cancel, or whichever similar option appears. After you confirm, you'll see a message on screen stating that your Crunchyroll channel will remain active until the end of your current billing period, but it will not renew after that. Make a note of this date so you know exactly when your access will end. This way you can still enjoy your subscription until the time you've already paid for runs out. Finally, check your email for a confirmation message from Amazon. This email will serve as proof that your cancellation went through successfully and will include details about when your access will officially end. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Crunchyroll membership on Amazon Prime. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.